Hi, I'm Jeff Kraft on behalf of Live Ventures, chatting with the heartbeat of Marquis Industries, Chet Graham. Chet, hey, thanks for joining us
Thanks
here
for coming, Jeff.
today. Tell us a little bit about yourself, where you grew up.
Grew up in the area, Dalton area, actually up in Ringgold, Georgia, just north of Dalton, and born and raised. Went off to school at the University of Georgia, and ended up back in the carpet industry.
So, how would you describe Marquis for folks that have never heard of Marquis before?
Marquis is a fully integrated carpet manufacturer. We're a seller of hard surfaces. We also produce monofilament yarn, which goes into golf products, synthetic turf, and landscaping.
And from start to finish, it's all done right here in Georgia.
Yeah, done right here in Georgia. In the carpet triangle, you have Dalton, Chatsworth, and Calhoun. So we have facilities throughout those cities.
So let's talk about the locations of the manufacturing. We had a chance today to visit all 4 locations. Let's talk about step 1.
Yeah, we started at yarn extrusion, and then we moved on to yarn processing, and then went on to tufting, and then we ended up down here with our printing process with the new technology.
Yeah, it's a great technology. You could truly say, and not many companies can say it anymore, made in the USA from start to finish.
Yes, it is. It's one of those last products that is truly made in the USA is carpet.
And you still have managed to maintain the number of employees over the years still to today. How does that happen?
Yeah, we have about 280 employees, and we've been benefit, never really had a true layoff or any loss of employees. Again, we have a very strong family relationship with all of our employees. All of our management team works close with every employee in every facility and plant. So we were able to maintain a nice cohesive management team with them, and it builds a good long relationship for us.
The relationship with John and Live Ventures, it really is it's a very cohesive relationship. Success of Marquis, obviously, it stands for what it's been for such a long time. But now that Live Ventures has come on board, is there a next step that really can take Marquis even higher to where you couldn't before?
Yeah, John and Tony have been great. Again, Mr. Bailey works with them day to day, and we'll do organic growth through new technology, new equipment, and also through acquisition, smart acquisition. And also we're looking to expand in other areas in the carpet. Again, the plant here in Calhoun that is the printer, which will move us into commercial and hospitality.
Okay, and then John and Live Ventures, the entire team, do they listen to what you have to say?
Yes, Tim understands this business. He's been in this business pretty much his whole life, accounting background. So they definitely take his recommendations, I believe, and let him operate our business as we have.
So there could be a lot of factors that make Marquis successful from when it first started to where it's at now. But in your words, why is Marquis so successful?
A key to Marquis Industry is our employees. We have over 280 employees some of them are long-time employees, over 20 years. And we have a very cohesive management team that allows them to operate in their specific areas in the carpet industry. We have some of the most sophisticated equipment through technology, and as we had the opportunity to see when we visited today.
Low retention, in fact, no retention with the employees. They trust you, you trust them, as what's going to still continue and catapult Marquis into the next level.
That's correct, yeah. Our turnover rate is very small. We've been very fortunate in that sense.
Now with automation that has come into play as well, those employees, again, you said, retention, none. They just moved into a different division. How has that helped Marquis?
Yeah, it's just allowed us to expand a little bit in some certain areas and be more quality control too. So if you don't have somebody tied up doing manually on a machine, they can do a little bit more quality checking down the line. So
maybe see some aspects of that employee you didn't know they had.
That's correct. That's right. Yes.
Let's talk about the demand of Marquis Carpet. How are the shifts? You guys run 9 to 5 like most companies? How does it work?
No, we run 24/7. We basically have 2 planned shutdowns a year. So right now, pretty high demand for our products.
2 planned shutdowns.
Yep.
Is that 2 weeks?
No, just 1 week each. So we try to shut down during the holiday in the winter, and then we shut down on 4th of July week.
So 50 weeks a year, you're running 24/7.
That's correct. Keep up with the demand of our products.
Really impressive.
Yes, it is. Our products, we did a lot of market research. We make sure that our products are soft-handed, which you have the opportunity to run your hands through some of our carpets today. So we try to stay ahead of the market and keep profiles looking good and styling.
We've talked about where Marquis Industries was, where it's at. What's the next step? Where's Marquis going?
We'll continue to grow. Right now we're doing a $7.5 million expansion, which you and I had an opportunity to visit today. We also have $4 million more of equipment on order. So we'll continue to expand in other areas and also try to do some acquisitions also.
Bouncing around from the 4 locations you have out here in the Dalton area, how does that work? What's your day-to-day like?
Day-to-day, typically I'm in Calhoun, where you saw the printing application going. It's our newest venture that we've gone into as far as our big investment that's in line right now. So printing is a continual growing process that's out there. It allows us to be in FEC bowling centers and everything. Also, I help with the day-to-day marketing aspects of the parts of our company.
There's a lot of new companies coming out, a lot of technology companies coming out there. All this new technology, new media, they're still calling you even though you've been around for a long time.
That's exactly right. We're still on the forefront of all that. That's right.
All right, well, congratulations on the success and the continued success and, of course, the partnership with John and Live Ventures.
Yeah, it's
Chet,
been great.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Jeff.